Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What an amazing day today to take opportunity. It was just all over the place. So many opportunities today. As you can see, not only am I beating Warren Buffett, I'm also beating the S&P by quite a way. There's a good reason for that, and we'll show you why in today's trades. Has been absolutely phenomenal. Really, really great. Very, very happy. We're getting ready for a good close, getting ready for the FOMC report tomorrow morning. We're all ready for that now. So we're in a very, very nice position. Let me show you. I've just spent the cash on my main account, my long term. I've got just $7 left. I just applied it to FFIE, Rumble. Rumble got a great deal on Rumble, and I know why it went down. It makes perfect sense. Very, very excited about that. On my Roth IRA, I've got $1,361, and I'm still up way ahead of the S&P and way ahead of of Warren Buffett. So I'm very, very happy with that. I've got plenty of cash to do what I want to in the morning. Probably, just before the FOMC, or half and half, a little bit before and a little bit afterwards. The overall balance now is at 52, just touching 53. Our all-time high is 58, but that's not a concern. My shares are dramatically lower now. So even though we're down, my margins are down as well. So when we do go up, I'm going to go up a lot faster than we were before. Many more shares, lower prices, in a stronger position. All right, let's go through where we are and show you exactly. First of all, put on the screen all the links you need to all the socials and everything else. Let's go through our positions. Looking very, very nice indeed. So there's my position. As you can see, we're up. Let me just tweak that a little bit. Let me just resize that. I was working on this a few moments ago, putting some shorts out. You may have seen my shorts. Hopefully you've seen some of them. Okay, that's a slight adjustment. There you go. That's better. Virgin Galactic's now 201. I've got an average of 190, but that's not really it, because that's just been sold. I sold it at 2, made a profit on that for I think the sixth or seventh time on my Roth IRA. So I keep putting money in the pot. My average now, I've got 1,600 shares at 35% down. An average of 312, so fine. I'm holding my cash to buy more. If we get another drop down, then I can long-term hold those. But anyway, that's good. Roth IRA, I'm out of it, so this is good that we're going up today. Berkshire Hathaway, got my share of Berkshire Hathaway. We are up on it, waiting to buy some more on the way down. A long-term position. ARM Holdings. Now, ARM, I put the video out just a few seconds ago about ARM. It's worth $20. Looked at it, making some friends already on the ground with ARM. So I'm excited about that. ARM isn't actually worth this, hence why it's been going down dramatically anyway. Palantir, I nearly bought some more Palantir, but I held back at the minute. I want to do some more digging. But I've been buying more. I was down like 30%, down 17% and 8%. Won't take long now before I can sell the Roth position, which is what I want to do. Mullen, well, I just reported on it. It's a joke. It's joke day today on Mullen. Gold is down today. The S&P, I sold it at the top. It's been going down. I didn't buy it down here. Not really much point yet until tomorrow. See where we go. Amazon sold a big chunk of it at the top here today. It came back down. We might get a sell-off tomorrow morning. Don't want to be in too much. Apple, I'm just holding it. Apple's going up. Warren Buffett's buying more Apple. So I'm up 6% on that. Sorry, I beg your pardon. I'm up 6.32% on that. I'm still holding. NEE, I lowered my averages last week, down just 10% now. Very, very good. Enphase, also had a nice little rally today. I've been adding more when all this has been going on. I've only got 9% to go, and I can get rid of this small amount here for a profit. Coca-Cola straight back up again. J&J is down but going back up again. Kenvue trying to go up. CVX 5.59 left to go. Put a 3 or 4% on top of that, and I'll be out of my CVX as we come to the end of the year. Tesla, I trimmed off the top and bought some more on the way down this morning. So we're down here at the bottom, so very happy with that. Plus, I won a share. I won $5 of Tesla today doing the referral, which was very good. Right, Rivian, not in Rivian at the moment. McDonald's, still looking a bit loose at the minute. Google, too expensive. Microsoft, way too expensive. So we're not looking at that. Walmart, just holding that one share. Tesco, waiting for the big drop to come again. Tilray Brands, okay, we're getting near my price target now. But I don't know if I even want to buy it, to be perfectly honest. I don't know if I'm really interested in this stock anymore. Anyway, Robinhood, holding my positions, not selling it at all. It's a 4 to 6x, holding that. IonQ, not buying it yet. It's too expensive. Rocket Lab, this was the story of the day, was 48% down and I sold for a 1% loss. So I improved my position by over 40%. Very, very happy with that. And all day long, it's been going sideways where I sold it, looking to buy it back again. The whole lot that I sold this time, I can buy it when it goes down and do it again. So very happy, but I got my long-term position anyway. I got 476 shares. My Roth, I took the profit. Remember, don't pay any tax on that. Plug, I'm still undecided about Plug. Procter & Gamble, I'm out of it. I trimmed off now. Rumble, now Rumble has now become, it's undervalued now. I checked on how much debt they had. I checked on their loan situations and their cash flow, and decided when I bought it today, and I bought it for, what did I buy it for? Beg your pardon. This is my main account here. I bought it for $5.38. That was undervalued. So I bought 100 shares of it. Only a small amount. I'm not really a great fan of it, but with the situation with Russell Brand and Donald Trump and other things that are going on. More importantly, though, rumors of insiders selling, which they weren't. It was just a bloody great ruse again, overreaction. And then people went, oh, they're not actually selling. No, they're not. So Rumble went down and I was able to get a nice little discount there. So very, very happy with that. And in 5 minutes of owning it, I'm up nearly 3%. I could sell all of it because I'm not really a fan of it anyway, even though we're on Rumble right now. Shall I just go into my Rumble audience? We're talking about Rumble right now. Matt Kors is all over the Rumble, Chris Pavlovsky, hyping it and promoting it. I can't really enjoy those type of investors that just promote their own ends, their own channels to make themselves look important, to rub shoulders with the right people. I can't do that. And at the end of the day, the truth and the quality and the honesty will win out, and those channels will eventually disappear because there's no credibility to that. Rumble doesn't make any money right now. It doesn't make any money for me, which means it doesn't make money for other creators. It can't do. I mean, I'm on it every day and it's made me like $26 in like 5 months. So it doesn't make any money. However, it probably will trade to $12. So it's a double from here. So I'm up already 3% on it. I could sell it because that way I wipe out the loss and I've made profit and I can walk away with $563. But to be honest with you, I'm going to keep it. It's on my Roth, not costing me anything. There's nothing else I want to buy. I think it's pretty safe here. Once the rumor becomes the facts that the fact that the insiders aren't selling it, it's going to be up to 6, 7, and I'd probably sell it around 10 and double my money. I don't really care about what the future holds for it. I just want to make money, and that's all good. FFIE. Now this one, as you know, contempt for the CEO who said we don't care about making profits, we're not trying to sell cars, we're just building the brand. I've never heard anything so ridiculous. When you're a publicly traded company, you're telling the investors on a live earnings call that you don't care about selling cars, and I quote. I don't believe in the company at all, not one tiny bit. So you think, well, why did you buy it? Because others will try and scalp this, and I bought it to wipe out my loss. Now, some people say you should never buy down to wipe out a loss, but actually you can if the sentiment is there, because I was down a couple $100. So I've bought 100 shares today on my Roth, and I've got 100 shares on my my main account, my brokerage account. And it won't take much for me to get my money out and make a 10% profit. And that's what I'll do. I don't really care beyond that point. The car looks great, the technology is great, but the company don't really care about that. They're just trying to build a car, and it'll go the same way as Lucid. It'll go private, go to the Arabs, and we'll end up with a company that doesn't exist anymore. Anyway, Rio, and it won't benefit the shareholders at all. Bitcoin up today 0.9, Polygon up 1.79, XRP up 0.79. So we're all looking good. Been a very, very good day today. And Enphase Insider has bought 4 million's worth of shares this week. Niels, very nice indeed. I've been buying on when it's been going down, and my Enphase is nearly now, because this is the position I need. I don't need more than this. This is a fair allocation. In fact, it's very overweighted, to be honest. 9.69 of Enphase is overweighted. So the Roth IRA is merely pocket change, and it's just, I've got $360, get up to 400. It's just cash. It's just a little bit of change for me. So if I can turn this into $500, make $100, then I've got $500 just to add to my cash. And right now I've got 1,300 for tomorrow, and we're probably only about a week or so away, and that could happen. Still got those buybacks to happen as well. So there's a bit of good news around Enphase. It was always inevitable. It was just time. What is Rum's value? Rolly Rouge. What do you mean? What's the value? The market cap? The value of the company? What is it you're asking me? The market cap today is still rising. I'm up 4% now. Very. I could easily sell that position. Yeah. I could. I don't know. I'm just not interested in the company, really. Market cap 2.16 billion. It's price earnings ratio down 19 times, 19.58. Anyway, I'm up 4%. It's not bad in 5 minutes, really. Well, it's been about half an hour now, to be honest. So it's not actually bad, is it? 4%. If I can make 10% from it, that's a year on this stock. That's a year on the S&P in an hour, more than likely. Anyway, we want to be as much cash as possible tomorrow for the FOMC. Let's have a look. All-time new low, Martin. Yeah, Crag, I knew you'd be interested in this. Jojo weather has fairly changed the late summer. Hi all, Brickmark. Hello, how you doing? MXK just bought another 100. Like and subscribe. What's up? What's up? Zed Hink, how are you? 330, 125. Mike, an Enphase Insider. We did that one. Thank you for that, Niels. Let's have a look. Martin, your portfolio is killing it this week. Yes, it's doing good, isn't it? Beating Warren Buffett and the S&P. Good morning, all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Is it morning anywhere? Do we have anybody here who's good morning? It's good evening in America, in the UK. It's good afternoon in the US. It's good morning somewhere, right? It's always 5 o'clock somewhere. But good morning, Sensei. I mean, what planet are you on? Anyway, maybe you're in China today. I don't bloody know. Right. Okay. In fact, you need to be in Australia, wouldn't you? Anyway, enough of this nonsense. Enough of this craziness. Right. Okay. Let me just go through here. Update here. Did we have anybody that wanted to be upgraded on Discord? We had a few new members this morning. Join. So I want to upgrade those people. Let's have a look. Okay, just doing a few things here. All right. All right. Okay. I'll be in Vietnam in a few weeks, maybe then. Zed Hink. There you go. We'll have good morning to Zed Hink, who will be in Vietnam. That makes sense, right? That would be good morning. Absolutely. Absolutely right. Okay, let me have a look. It's a bit exciting right now for me. I know my members care. Everybody else doesn't care, but my members care and I care. 991 followers. I would feel so excited to have 1,000 followers on my X account. 95% of Twitter X accounts are under 1,000. So I'd be like, oh, I'm in the top 5%. So I'll be very, very excited once we can get to 1,000. If you've not yet followed me on X, follow me on X. Let's see if I can get there this week. I'm at 991. Very exciting, right? So I'm catching up now with Elon Musk. It won't be long before I'll be as important as Elon Musk. Yeah, you heard me say it. Hi, Craig. China. Yeah. Maybe you're in China. I don't know where you are. You get around so much. Good evening, Sensei. I'll be in Vietnam. Yes, hi, Craig. Hello, Buckaroony. How much did you make on Rocket Lab, Martin? I didn't. That's the point. But I still benefited. See, I've had people say to me, that didn't make any sense. It absolutely made sense. And I'm going to try and explain this today again because, some people just do not understand this concept. Years and years ago, as you know, I declared my One Night in Vegas show bankrupt at the end because of the credit crunch. No one was going to the theaters anymore. I knew I'd be bankrupt, right? I declared myself eventually. I mean, I probably would have avoided it for forever, but I did it myself, right? Now I owed about $250,000. I made sure all my staff were paid and everything was done, but the business could not survive. It was just an inevitable, right? So I bankrupted myself. I went into the court, declared bankruptcy and cleared the business away, start again, because I knew I could never make back the money at the interest rates they were. No one was interested in discussing it with me, right? Because my credit was perfect, maximum credit score, like it is now, 999, in the US now, I'm 823 out of 850, so perfect credit score. No one would discuss it with me because I'd never missed a payment, right? So I did that. Now, when I walked into the court, I owed $250,000. When I walked out, I owed nothing. So was I better off? Well, of course I was. I was better off by $250,000. Well, the same applies to Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab, before I bought this morning and doubled and quadrupled up, I was 48, about 45, 48. I forget what I was now. Somewhere in that region down. I had a small position, about, I don't know what I had now, about $1,000. I was about 48% down. I then doubled up, whatever, because of the news. And I knew it was going to go up, but I know it won't keep going up because there's no reason, right? So because I bought so much, my average went down from minus 40, whatever it was, 48, whatever it was, went down to about minus 20, minus 15 in just a few minutes, obviously, because my average had dramatically dropped. And then it went up. It went up from a 27% loss to 7. It went up 27%. It went up 20%, beg your pardon. So when I sold it, my Roth position, not my brokerage position, I sold it for a 1% loss. And it was the right thing to do because all day it's been going sideways and there will be another dip to it. Now, it doesn't matter if there isn't, because at the end of the day, I've gone from about 48% down to 1% loss. So even though I didn't make any money, I've improved my position. It doesn't matter sometimes. If you are down, you're down. That's where you are. And if you can get up, if you can improve your position from minus 40 to minus 1, that's a 39% improvement. that is still a time to get out. If I had bought everything at the bottom, I would have made 40%. It would have been a phenomenal deal, but I still made 40%, just didn't bank the profit, but I did reduce the loss. It's the same thing. So when I walked out of the court, not owning $250,000, I was $250,000 richer. Makes sense, right? You don't always have to make a profit to make a profit. You can make a profit just by reducing the loss. And that's what I did. So now what I've done, I used the money I got out, and I've got a bigger position now in my main account. I'm just 10% down. I bought some more there as well. That was down like 25, 30%. That's only down like 10% now. So that's in a good position. Now we're going to get there within 6 months, 12 months. I'm going to be up to maybe 15, 20 bucks on this stock. So that can just sit there and grow, right? That's a long-term investment. But my Roth, I've got the cash. Now, I've got the cash waiting. I've got several stocks all about to mature and make 3, 4, 5%. So if things go right this afternoon in the morning before the FOMC, I might have about $5,000 or $6,000 in cash in my Roth. Now then, if we see that the Rocket Lab goes sideways for a while, I can buy back in here. It won't matter that I lost 1%. It won't matter. It's still a lot lower than where I was. I mean, I was up at like 560. Well, now we're now at 468, right? So, you know, it doesn't matter. And we'll see what happens. But if it goes up, I'm already in. If it goes back down, I'm ready to buy and ready to take advantage of that. So yeah, I didn't actually, to answer your question, make a profit, but what I did was reduce a loss by, you know, more than I'd ever want to make on a profit anyway. So that was a very, very good day. And that's why at the end of the day, you look at my portfolio and I'm beating Warren Buffett and I'm beating the S&P. And if you look at my Roth IRA, the same. I'm beating it over there as well. So, you know, you can't, you know, unless you're buying some Binky Bonk coin or some random like that, you can't determine where the markets are going. All you can do is outperform it. You know, you can't, it's like if I'm in a running race and the fastest man in the world can run. Oh my gosh, Bill's just given 5 memberships away. There's 5 people going to get memberships. Look at this. Jan Lernby, Ben, Pete Barker, Flutter Edits, Nate Anderson. You've all just won memberships from Bill. How nice is that? I can't believe it. Look at that. All these people here have just been given a gift from Bill. How nice is that? But anyway, so there you go. Another one. How amazing. Very, very nice. Very, very nice indeed. Thank you, Bill. What a generous gift that was. What a generous gift. You just gave away 5 memberships. Hey, Pete Barker just become a member. So many of you just got lots of perks and benefits now. Brilliant. Wow, I know the price is way down. Good luck, MSK. Flutter Edits just become a member. Martyn being hounded. What a nice gift that was. That was absolutely fantastic. Really, really great. Nate Anderson just became a member as well. Look at that. Incredible stuff. Welcome in all new members. Nice one, Bill. Anyway, there you go. So that's how Rocket Lab panned out. Mount UK afternoon, evening all. Evening all. Evening. Crag, welcome to you. Malk, welcome. I know what you mean. You brought your average down. How did everyone get their money back? How did everyone get their money back? How did everyone get their money back? I'm not sure what Sensei means. Can you rephrase that? How did everyone get their money back? I don't get it. I don't know what the question is. I actually bought 900 Rocket Labs today at 440 and sold them at 472 on my ISA. Bought a Tesla share with the profit and I'm waiting for the next dip. Congratulations. I bought it this morning. I think it was at 365, literally at 1 minute past 6 in the morning. What was the real person you went to the USA to run away from? People coming on. What was the real reason you went to the USA? How did everyone get their money back? How did everyone get their money back? Are you talking about, how did everyone get their money back? I didn't owe anybody any money. I made sure everyone was paid. No one was not due money. I paid everybody in advance, actually. Jojo S. Ali. Good afternoon, Sensei. Crag. Just went in big at 103. What are you talking about? Tilray? What are you buying at 103? What are you buying at 103? Not Virgin Galactic. What is it you're buying? What are you buying at 103? FFIE? No. Rum. What are you buying at 103? Anyway, plug. Well, I know the price is down. Good luck. Martin being hounded by the bailiffs. Welcome in all new members. CGC. Okay. Nice one. Thank you, Mike. Nice one, Bill. Nice one, Bill. Yeah, would everyone, all the new members who just won memberships, would you please thank Bill? That's a huge gift. Bill just gave 5 people memberships. Think he's talking about your bankruptcy. No one was owed any money. Not one single person was owed any money at all. I made sure every single person was paid before it happened. Every single person who worked for me was paid. So yeah, no one was owed any money at all. 8 followers to go, 992. Yay! Have you been on the source tonight, Sensei? Yeah, CGC. CGC, thank you ever so much. Thanks, Bill. Right, now for those of you that just won a membership, when you win one, you get access to everything other than upgraded on Discord, because anyone can win in the chat, and we don't want someone who is not verified or a bot or a scammer or something like that. Not suggesting anyone is, but you get every benefit as a member. You can see all the exclusive channels, all the exclusive content. Ask me to review a stock, celebrate your birthday, poll the audience, do all those things. The only thing that you don't get is upgraded on Discord until your badge turns to the other color after 1 month. And I think you're all blue. Am I right? Is it blue the first day you remember? I think it is. So after you've been a member for a month, I will upgrade you. Just the tax man. Left wanted. Maybe. Will tomorrow be a very big or all-in priced in event? Well, no. If it's a pause, we're gonna have a very, very good day, because even though it's priced in, it really isn't, because a pause will be the beginning of the end of the rate hike. So people will start going, okay, the economy isn't great, but I want to buy in now because the markets are going to go up over the next 12 months. I mean, that's the point, right? So you want to be in. You don't want to be sitting around scratching your head. Only losers pay taxes. Are they looking for you, Bill? Only losers pay taxes. Delph, back from Croatia. You're a god to me. Happy you still follow Plug. Of course I do. At the moment, it makes perfect sense at the moment. I haven't bought any more, though, at the moment. But there you go. Hi, Delph. How are you? 807, 829, 11. Year to date. Eight. I hold. I'm just thinking, actually, should I buy any more plug? Hi, Delph. Back from Croatia. Should I buy some more plug? Let me go to my Roth position. My Switzer, welcome to bronze. Hey, did I miss that? Switzer, I thought you were bronze before, weren't you, Switzer? Is that, have you just become bronze for the first time? Did I just miss that? Did I just miss that? Let me have a look.
Switzer has become a member.
That's a new that's a new membership, isn't it? That's a new membership. No, I've been in a chat. No, I have been in chat for a while though. Yeah, I know you've been in the, but that's a new membership, right? Thank you very much for joining the family. For those of you who've just joined, this is the Discord link. I can upgrade you. I can upgrade you because you just got that membership. Yeah, new membership. That's what I thought. There's your Discord link. If you go to Discord, I'll upgrade you. I'm just trying to make my mind up whether I want to get plug power, and then when I think I'm going to. By 8:30. Whoops. Dollars. Limit order. $8.30. Continue. 3 p.m. today. Let me have a look. In Welcome All. Brilliant. Let me go in there. What's so special about plug? It's the leader when it comes to hydrogen power. It's around me in Texas, and there's some hydropower stations coming online end of this year. Do you remember the last earnings when the CEO was drunk? At least we all thought he was. I've got this feeling. Um, 1%. 790, 828. Financials is pretty good. 3 months. What's it likely to do tomorrow? $8.28. Okay. I just bought it for $8.27, which is under the price it is there. All right. There you go. I've just Delph. Very entertaining earnings. I'd say that's the understatement. No, it wasn't. I was a sad sack transport driver, reserves on call out in the UN. No, I've been in chat for a while. Switzer, let me upgrade your account. I thought it was. Space is holding very well today. Yes, that allows me money. Yes, I've just bought 80 shares of that. I said hello and welcome all. Let me go there. Right. Let me go to Discord. Switzer. Okay, here we go. So I said hello in earnings, in welcome all. Right. Okay, let me go over here now and upgrade you. So this is Switzer, everybody. Would my Discord users jump on in? Let's upgrade Switzer. Say hello. Let's give him membership first of all. You now can see all the channels. You can now call in. You can see all the exclusive trading channels, what's going on. I've just given you that. I don't need to change your name. You're already done. I'll add you as a friend. Now I'm just, so you've got a friend request now. I just want you to be absolutely aware, now you've entered Discord, you will get people pretending to be me. They're not me. You can tell the difference. I'm in gold because I'm the owner of the channel. Also, if you look on my roles, I am the owner. Okay, I have the owner. Also, if you click on my profile, I am spelt correctly. They will use my logo. They will use my name. But this username here is I'm the only one on the whole Discord system who can use that. They'll have Martyn Lucas with 2 S's or a dot or whatever. And also, you know I'm the real me because I never message you, certainly don't message you to try and sell you anything. Okay, so there you go. I only reply to you if you message me. I don't actually reply first to you. So, Switzer, would everybody go and welcome Switzer in? So now you are a member. Don't forget, you can have a birthday celebration, ask me a question, poll. You've got exclusive access now to videos you've never seen before, behind the scenes, members-only parties, members-only meetups. Here, look, members-only live stream, members-only chats, many, many perks. If you comment on social media, I will reply. There you go. There you go. Mike has welcomed in Switzer. Thank you, Mike, for doing that. Brilliant. Thank you, Mike, for doing that. Appreciate that a lot. And Mike's very friendly most of the time on Discord. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, great. Thank you and welcome to the family. Hydrogen, Roy Tiri Bill. I'm not sure what that means. Niels, worst earnings call ever. very entertaining earnings. That sounds good to me. If he was drunk in the Middle Ages, people used to contemplate important decisions, both in sober and drunk state. T.O. roll. I like it. Anyway, since I bought Plug, it's actually gone up as well, which is quite nice. Anyway, since I bought Plug just a few moments ago, I'm actually making money on it, which is nice. The fact it's gone up already. So now what I can do is, if I can make 25% on my main account, I can sell it for a wash and just bring some cash back in and buy other things that I want to do for long term. All right, okay. But they were very chilled though. They were very chilled. You stick it in the socket and the lights go on. Yeah, you want to know about Plug? Stick your finger in the plug. Yeah, yes, and base in the coaster. British. Thank you for that, Bill. Just hold some cash. Sensei's going. Don't worry, mate. I can get cash at any point. Don't worry. I got loads of stocks that are up. Don't you worry, Sensei. You worry too much. Sensei always worries. He says, mine's always buying stuff. Of course I buy stuff. I'm an investor. I'm a trader. I do all these things. Look at all the loves coming in. Who's giving me all the loves on TikTok? 789. Let me put you on the screen. Let me put you on the screen on TikTok. Here we go. Let me put you on the screen. Let me do this now. Hang on. Let me search for you a minute. Flipping heck. Here we go. Let me put you on the screen. Come on. Who's got the iOS 17? Are you excited by it? Do you care? Does it mean any difference to you? Do you care? Does it mean any difference to you? There you go. Right. I've got somebody, I can't pronounce the name, 789, is giving me loads of confetti and stuff. Look on the channel now. Look up here. In about 10 seconds, you'll appear up there. Just keep looking. There you are. You're here, look. See there, look. There you are on TikTok. Brilliant. So there you go. Look, see? Normally, isn't it normally the other side? I've not reversed this, have I? I've not mirrored it. There you go. That's better. That's better. You were seeing things back to front. There you are. This is my this is my TikToker. Thank you so much for the likes. If you click the little star and become a member, see that there, the little star there, you get many more perks and benefits. But what I would like you to do, obviously that you are such a generous person, if you are a real investor, 95% of TikTokers are scrolling through. Real investors aren't on TikTok. They're on my YouTube. They're on my YouTube channel, which is what this is, what you're looking at here on my phone onto YouTube, right? Click the profile here. You'll find my link to my YouTube channel where I'm live right now, and come and join the real traders and real investors. 95% of TikTokers aren't into that. Come on to YouTube and say, I'm from TikTok and, you know, what's it all about? And we'll welcome you to the family. So it's Martyn Lucas Investor, same name as his channel. Come on into YouTube and you can get a much better experience and speak to the traders and investors. And we're doing really well because tomorrow is FOMC report and we're ready for it. Okay, let's have a quick look for a minute. There you go. I bet you have some stories out there, Bill. He does have stories. Crikey, looks better today. Isn't it really easy to bet on interest-sensitive stocks as a day trader? Isn't it really easy to bet on interest-sensitive stocks? Isn't it really easy? I don't know if it's really easy or not. There are advantages. I don't know what I'm not sure, Niels. I'm really familiar with what your question is. Do you want to rephrase it? So I perhaps understand what you're saying. Anyway, my overall position. I'm leaving Warren Buffett in the S&P now, miles behind. There you go. Thank you all, Switzer. Welcome in. What country are you from, Switzer? What country are you from? United States? Have you already spent some of the Space and Rocket Lab money? Of course I have. I've been making money all afternoon. What are you on about, Sensei? Don't you worry about it. Don't you worry. If you look on the screen, you know. Look, don't worry. Don't worry. I could have I've got $700 right there, right this minute. And by tomorrow, I could have about $3,000. Don't worry. Don't worry. Should I do it? Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be all right. Don't worry. We're talking aliens, Bill. We're talking aliens. We are certainly talking aliens. Seem to recover when breaks below $2. Let's see. Last night I was buying 150. Did you see my message on Discord? Did I see? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I haven't forgotten you. Made a mistake buying Rocket Lab with a 5x leverage. Never, ever do that. You can make money yourself. You don't need to borrow money. And though eToro triggered stop loss on market opening, chasing money back, and I've paid the price. Gutted. Lewis, I'm so sorry. That's why I don't use margin in any way, shape, or form. I can make money from my own money. Yeah, that is a great shame. That's the trouble with margin. The guard never wakes up permanently. What do you think of NEE? Where is the bottom? NEE. I'm very happy with my NEE. I've got lots of it. Too much of it, if I'm honest. But I'm earning a good dividend. This is a safe place to own it now. I just keep adding more. USA, Swamps of Missouri. I love it, the Swamps of Missouri. Lovely to have you here, Switzer. There you go. Every little thing gonna be up. There he is. Bet on stocks that will rise on a pause. Bet on stocks that will rise on a pause. Yeah, I think most things will rise on a pause, to be perfectly honest. It'll start the next leg of the bull run. We've been in a bull run now for about 9 months, and it'll just amplify it. But they don't like it up. Bill, they don't like it up them. I don't get it. I've missed the joke. All right, let's go for all our positions. We're doing very, very well indeed. I've got to go. Now, listen, folks. You remember last night I told you I've got to go right on the bell? Do you remember last night? Because last night, let me just fix this. My TikTokers are getting a slanty screen. Is that better? That's better, isn't it? You're getting a slanty screen. Last night, I had to finish right on the bell because I had a gig. Well, guess what? Me and Leah got in the car, packed the equipment, went down to the venue, pulled up. No one here. I've already been paid. I always make sure I get paid before I go, right? For this very reason. Turned up, no one there. Phoned them up and they said, "Oh no, we're sorry, it's tomorrow night." I said, "Well, you booked tonight. Invoice, paperwork, I'm covered, right?" "Oh no, we're sorry, we didn't tell you." "What do you mean you didn't tell me? I'm the only person you need to tell." I'm your entertainment. I'm your star turn. I'm the reason why everyone's going. I'm the reason everyone's bought a ticket to come and hear me sing, right? "Oh, well, can you come back tomorrow?" "What do you mean, can I come back tomorrow?" I said, Not really. No, I've got another gig. I've got other things I've got to do tomorrow night." Anyway, I managed to get round it. So they booked me again. So I'm going there tonight. So straight at the end of the show, 3 o'clock, I'm going to be zipping off again, getting into my suit again, putting on my tux again, driving down the road again. But this time, I plan on carrying in my equipment and getting set up and singing a few songs. So we shall see where we go. Anyway, you never know. They might have got the wrong day and it'll be tomorrow and they book me again. We just keep doing that. Anyway, let's have a look at our positions. Right. Right. Where's Rumble gone? Hello. Rumble's got a problem this afternoon. Disappeared off the screen. Rumble. Look at our crystal balls, our crystal bubbles today. Looking pretty good. We're doing all right. But Rumble, look, disappeared. Rumble doesn't know where it's going this afternoon. Never mind. Never mind. Rumble doesn't know where it is. Let's have a look at Bloomberg. What are they saying? Yes, they're talking about tomorrow. But remember this morning, Bloomberg didn't even know double pay. Exactly. It wasn't double pay. It wasn't double pay. It was a bit extra, but it wasn't double pay. No. No. I couldn't do that. They didn't have the budget for that, and there was no need. I mean, I didn't do the gig. I didn't anyway, whatever. I try to help people out a little bit. You know what I mean? I'm a nice bloke, really. Anyway. No, they don't have to pay me twice. Just pay me a bit more. Anyway, let's have a look. Let's go through our stocks. If you've not yet followed me on X, 992. We're trying to get to 1,000 if we can. This is a bit like my 10,000 on YouTube, isn't it? Look, you can see it. People going, I'm not going to follow him until he gets to 1,000. I'm going to be the 1,000th person, and then I'm going to unfollow. We know what happens. The same thing happened on YouTube. We know what happens. Anyway, it's a bit of fun, isn't it? Right. This is for the benefit of Sensei. He likes this. You ready? You ready, Sensei? 10,746, 47, 48. There you go, another 2. That's for Sensei. You can now afford your put 50 a month up. Can I? He's telling me. Can I? Well, let me tell you, Sensei. You know it's $4 a week? 2 weeks ago, $20 a week. Yesterday, it's $50 a week now. $50 a week now into my portfolio. $50 a week. And I'm going to leave that for a few weeks, and then we'll reassess. Me and you can have a little meeting, and we can reassess whether I can increase on my crypto position. We shall discuss that, I'm sure. Right, let's get ready. 8 minutes to go. Virgin Galactic holding above 2. Not the mysterious world of crypto with its smoke and mirrors. Good God, said Mike. Good God, I can't believe it. Shall we hear from Mike? He's going, no, don't do it. Yeah. Shall we hear from Mike? Who wants to hear Mike? Anybody want to hear Mike? In 5, 4, 3, 2. Nothing he can't stop me. There's nothing he can do. When I press this button.
Just wanted to let everybody know that this is the best YouTube channel in the world. And all the time that we've been here, it's been exciting. We've been part of a great family. Had a lot of struggles, but a lot of winnings. So whatever anybody thinks that they need not to join, they need to join because it pays off multiple ways.
Oh yeah, Niels. Joke of the day. This has got to be the quote of the day. Quote of the day from Niels. Definitely, Martin. Only go live tomorrow when you hit 1,000 followers. Right? What could go wrong? That's brilliant. That is brilliant. Does everyone know what he's talking about? Does everyone know? Copy and paste in the chat. Go viral. Copy and paste. Do you know what he's talking about? I might do it. Do you know 95% of Twitter accounts are under 1,000? So it's like having 10,000 YouTube subscribers. It's that big. So I think he's right. I'm not going live again until I get 1,000 followers. I'm not doing it. I'm going to wait behind the curtain for a grand opening like a rock star, and I'm not going to come out. I refuse to come out until I get 1,000 followers. For those of you who wasn't there when we got 10,000 subscribers, you may remember the debacle. Joke of the day, I'll take it. Brilliant. I love the way he says, Martin, I can just imagine him saying it. Martin, only go live tomorrow when you hit 1,000 followers. What could go wrong? No! Inbound space margin. I don't know why. Does anyone know why he says that? I don't bloody know why. Good God. All in one binky bonk coin. Yes, the whole lot. You know what, Crag? I am soon going to have my very own crypto coin. Oh, yes, I am. I'm going to have my own crypto coin. Yes, you can all buy my crypto coin. And unlike the was it Raoul Paul or some other scammer who ended up pumping it up and then dumping it, I ain't. You know I won't. I want everyone to own it, everyone to make money on it, everyone to trade it, hold it. It got absolutely. I think I should have my own crypto coin. I think it'd be brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I'm very excited about it. I think I want to do it. I'm excited. I might do it. 3 minutes to go. Right. Okay. Let's have a little look. Berkshire Hathaway. My share is at 0.5% up. ARM Holdings. Rubbish. Until it goes down to $20. Mullen. Gold. S&P. No, it's got to go down again. Amazon. It's recovering slightly. I sold at the top. Good. Apple. Held it. NEE. It's fine. Good. Let me check my end phase. Is it high enough yet? No. What about my Rocket Lab? Sideways, perfect. That's what we want. Rumble. Guess who bought Rumble? I've been slagging it off for ages, saying what a load of rubbish. And I bought it today. Finally. Oh, yes. I've made 5% profit. $27. Look at that. Look at that, folks. In an hour. I'm quite happy to say to trade that 5% in a day. It doesn't. I don't care that it's could go to $12. It doesn't matter to me. Make 5% in a day. I'm happy with that. It's not a stock I really want to own. Make $27. Shall I sell it? What do you reckon? Crag knows. No way. Joke of the day, I'll take it. Niels, everyone's loving it. Not again. Oh dear. 1 million subscribers. 100,000 subscribers. Yeah, 100,000 subscribers. I won't come on for a week. You'll be having to buy tickets to see it. The moment will be that good. Mike, you're the man. What's Mike done? Why is Mike the man? He ain't done anything, has he? What's Mike done? I did a video capture. I was sending Martyn. What's this? I bought 25 million shares of Shiba for $135. It dropped a zero one day, and it went up in a minute to 2,100. Then started to drop, and I sold at 18. Wow! I did a video capture. I was sending Martyn. Do what? I'd love to see that. Every few minutes. Jojo. Sell. I know. Why not? Right, okay, we'll do a poll. We've got a minute to go before the bell goes. I didn't do anything. No, you didn't. I don't know why you're getting all the adoration. Start a poll. Shall I sell rum for 5% profit? Shall I sell rum for 5% profit? $27. It's more money than I've made in super chats today. Way more, about 1,000 times more. So I might as well bloody do it. $27 would be a good day. What do you reckon? Insiders getting rid of it. That's all it is. There you go. Let's have a look. I bet Crag will say no because he's going, don't sell it. I want you to own it because I'm in it. It's like a little club, isn't it? People want you to own the stocks they're in. I know how it goes. I know all about it. Trust me, I know all about it. Ring the Sensei bell. Here it is. Drink some rum. Now that's a good idea. The bell has now gone. Rumble paid a rapper 69.3 million up front to stream on Rumble, and he never did it. Rumble throws money in the pit of fire. I've not had that verified. I can't use that from Inbound. He's never we don't know who Inbound is. We've never met him. He's never been a member. He's been watching the show for like 10 years. Never been a member. I don't know if it's true or not. Anyway, we're going up in the after hours. I'm up 5% now. Right, I've got to go. I've got to go to my gig, part 2. Try again. All right. If you're going to be in for next year, might as well hold at the lowest price, Martin. Smash the like. 69. Oh, 69 is the rapper's name. Oh, is it? 69. Paid rapper 69. Oh, he paid rapper 69, 3 million up front to stream. Well, he never showed up. How could you pay someone not to turn up? He's Arnold the Palmer. I know he is. He changed his name and he tries to be like stealth. But we know he is. We know he is. We know what's going on. Anyway, I want to thank those of you today that joined me for the very first time on Stockwits. I've now got 53 followers. Very exclusive little club. Very exclusive little club. There you go. There is the Stockwits. If you want to follow me, thanks a lot. 6IX99 6. I ain't got a clue what that is, Max. He won't get me. Don't you worry. You won't get past the Slayer. He don't miss nothing. Right, I've got to go. I ain't got time for this nonsense. I've got to get out of here. Let's have a look. Let's clear the decks. Mullen. Gold. Oh, I bought some FFIE as well. At this price as well. For a laugh. Crazy, isn't it? For a laugh. And I'm up 0.03 on my Roth. It's just, see, I know what Sensei is going to say to me. He said, Martin, you need some money for tomorrow. There's $400 right there on FFIE. Rubbish. Let's see if I can just make a few quid. Berkshire, Rum, Tilray, still not cheap enough. Hood, IonQ, Rocket Lab, see, Sideways, perfect. Procter & Gamble, Rum. Hope music goes well. Yeah, I hope so. Right, I've got to go. I got things to do. I can't be talking to you all night long. Aura Blanco. Now, Aura Blanco, I haven't got time to do it now. On the next show, you'll have to come in and let me know. Aura Blanco, bloody day, he said. It's been a brilliant day, Aura Blanco. Fantastic. Are you one of my members? If you are, I can upgrade your account live on the show. But let me know in YouTube. I can't do it now because we're about to end the show. Big sale opens tomorrow. Yay! Always opportunity in the markets. The more you look at it, the more you see the patterns, the more you see the way people try to manipulate it. I love it. It's becoming clearer and clearer every day. I don't know if anybody else notices that. If you look at it, you can recognize things. Do you bring your own equipment to events across the world? Do I bring my own equipment to events across the world? Not really, Sensei. I'd bring the microphone and my background music, but no, I mean it would make sense. It would cost a load of money to put on the plane. I mean you'd have to put speakers on the plane and stuff like that, and it would cost money to fly over equipment. You just hire it. I have equipment in England as well. So if I'm going to England and then from England to somewhere, but anyway, all he brings now is his iPad. Yeah, I'm too famous now. Yeah, when I was a nobody, right, I'd carry everything like a bloody donkey. Right now, I barely even carry myself. Someone's got to carry me. I mean, someone carries me in and sits me down and goes, here, sing a few songs, right? Sing a few songs. Anyway, I've got to go. So I've got to run. We've got to get out of here. Let's do day trader of the day because I know you're all itching to show off who's made the most money. I am up 0.85, way more than Warren Buffett, way more than the S&P. Just saying. I'll say it again. Just saying. Up 0.85. Here we go. Let's do it. Smithy, Martyn Lucas, Rumble at the price is a stacker. I don't know about that. I'm only interested in making money, not joining fan clubs. I'm happy to sell it. 5% in a day for doing absolutely nothing is a no-brainer. But I will hold it if it makes you happy overnight so we can be in the volatility of tomorrow. Any views on Lloyds Bank shares? Looks good. Any views on Lloyds Bank? I wouldn't buy a bank. Don't make any. Banks don't make money. Banks are for people that don't want to trade, just want to earn a dividend. They've got loads of money and they pay a safe dividend. No point owning a bank. No point. Doesn't make enough money. There's stocks that make far better returns. No point. Come on, day trader of the day. Up 0.85. There will be a day where all your stocks will be dropping and cash will be king. There will be a day. There will be a day. Down 0.1. Auto-tune. No auto-tune. Not with me. I don't need bloody auto-tune. Up 2.24. You're having a laugh, aren't you? Up 2.55. Remember this day, he says. Jose, down -3. Down 0.18. All right, we have a winner. We have a winner. Love you, mate. Smithy. He loves it. There we go. He's loving it. Love you too, Smithy. All right. Okay, here we go. Up to 5. It's MSK, innit? It's MSK, innit? Thank you for your honest trades. There it is. Congratulations. Give him a thumbs up. We're here. Give him a thumbs up. We're loving it. We're loving it. Congratulations to you. And let's play the funky music. Very, very good. Very, very good. Right. I've got to get out of here. I've got people to entertain. People looking forward. Can you imagine the excitement of these people? They're sitting in their houses now. They're humdrum lives. Hey, Doris, what are you doing tonight? I've got a ticket. The hottest ticket in town. What's that? I'm going to go and see Martyn Lucas in person, live, in his tuxedo, singing Phantom of the Opera, singing Michael Bolton, singing Frank Sinatra in person. Yep. I'll be able to touch him and say in real. Be amazing. This is what people are feeling like tonight. They're very lucky. They're very lucky. They don't know that I live on YouTube talking to you. They don't know about that. I won't mention that. I won't tell them that. All right. So anyway, I've got to go. Let's get out of here. Roll the credits. Let's see what wonderful delights we have on tonight's show. Subscriptions. Hello. Jonathan Rad became a new member. Subscriber. Jan. Learn Be Jan. Ben. Pete Barker. Flutter Edits. Nate Anderson and Switzer. Do you notice how many people win memberships? They're not even in the chat. That's because we have people, right, so loyal to the channel, they don't always listen. They have me on closed captions. They just want to be part of it. People don't want to miss it. Rename the channel to Martyn Lucas in person. I know. It's about time we rename the show. We rename it every year. It was The Day Trader, then it was Martyn Lucas Investor, and now apparently it's Martyn Lucas in person. You do realise, Jojo, when I do that, I've got to change everything everywhere. It's not worth it. So I'm going to stay as I am. All right, appreciate the suggestion. You can only change your name once. People won't do it. They won't accept it. They'll go, no, we're not going to accept this. We know you as Martyn Lucas Investor. We will not accept you as Martyn Lucas in person. We will not accept it. So, you have to be very careful. That's it from me. I'll see you all in a bit. Everybody on TikTok, thank you very much indeed. That's it from me. See you back in the morning. FOMC in the morning. Huge day. Get ready to make some money. Get ready to lose some money. Have a great night. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.